การต่อไปนี้
Oh kabalen, it's me El Peko and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be having my Bangkok full day city tour operated by AK Travel. Okay, I think this is my motorbike taxi. Siam Paragon Mall. Okay, thank you. Popcorn crap. It's my first motorbike taxi in Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand. This is heaven. Popcorn crab. I'm already here at Siam Paragon. Same meeting place.
Yeah, I'm looking for you, John. Yeah, John.
Yeah.
How's it? Yeah, I know you.
Okay, popcorn crab.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome. We have 11.
Kunchu alay?
Huh?
Kunchu alay?
คุณชื่ออะไร
Yeah.
You call me Charlie.
Charlie, okay.
You speak Thai, huh? Good.
Nit noy.
นิดหน่อย but มัก is very
Yeah.
a lot.
So we're going to ride the mini van. I'm here at the Mekong station waiting for the train to arrive. Hi, be Charlie, right?
Yeah, I'm Charlie. I'm Thailand.
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
So let's check what can they offer here. What's inside? So maraming damit dito, guys. So kayang mabudol sa akin dito. Let's see. Comment down below if what design do you like. There are many varieties of clothes here with this infamous elephant print. So I bought this tote bag and yung mga ibang souvenirs. Popcorn crab. Famous poison inhaler. And I'm going to buy this tamarind requested by my grandmother. Klook. Kunchu alay na? Ciao! Sawadee-krap! For today's budol, bumili ako ng tamarind, 6, and 2 pack ng poison inhaler. Sawadee-krap kun pa! Kunchu alay na? What's na?
วัฒนะค่ะ
Popcorn crab! Bye-bye! Ayan guys, nagbabaklasan na sila kasi darating na yung train. So time check, it's 11:07, 11:10 daw. Darating yung train.
Please be careful about the danger of the train. Please be careful about the danger of the train.
Hello! Balen, may budol na ako na naman bag. So beautiful. Popcorn crab, say hi to my vlog. Bye-bye. I ordered this mango smoothie. Let's try it. So refreshing in this kind of hot weather. What a great experience. So you should put this on your bucket list and you can book it via Klook by AK Travel. So link on the description. Belen, I'm here now at Damnon sa Duang Floating Market. As you can see, the boat is right beside me. It was a great experience riding a boat along the Mekong River because it is the longest canal in Thailand. Every day, many Thai and foreign tourists travel here to shop, eat, and absorb the atmosphere of Thailand water markets, that have been like this for over 100 years. This is my lunch for today. Pad Thai, fried morning glory, and Thai milk tea. Kinkao! That's it! Ito naman, ang laki ng mga shrimp. Sakto lang, hindi masyadong maanghang. You must try this. The aftermath, simot sarap. Hi, Tisha, can I have a question? For how many years are you working as a travel guide?
Approximately 20 years.
20 years, wow. Really enjoying it.
It's enjoy and relax job.
Yeah.
No pressure.
Can you tell me what is that? What did you order?
This we call lana.
It's like a soup, right?
Fully soup,
And it has veggies and
meat and rice noodle.
okay. How much is this?
About 60 baht.
Oh, 60 baht. So cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what the crab elephant? Oh, tingin yung anak niya. Okay guys, I know it's animal cruelty, but I want to try it for the experience. Right, first time with an experience. So you can see I'm riding an elephant. Medyo bumpy lang, pero carry to.
You okay?
Yeah,
Are you come from?
Philippines. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, Philippines.
Kunchu alay.
Mac.
Mac. Hi, P. Mac. Mabuhay. How many years are you working?
What?
Work here?
20.
Oh. Daming elephants pala dito. Kaya pala camp. Dito nakastay ang mga elephants. Pakit na tayo. What?
Luck for you at the teeth. Teeth,
Oh.
you afraid to be near. Ni big, ni small.
My ow.
No?
No, nagkakon crab. So I'm here at the middle of Siam Center. As you can see, that is Siamscape, MBK Tower, and MBK Center. Bangkok Arts and Culture Center. And Siam Discovery. Hi Kabalen, so for today's task, I will look for Gentlewoman flagship store at Siam Center. Let's see kung mahanap ko siya para mabili ko na ng bag. Si CZ, Jibet, and Jill. Kita din kita, Gentlewoman. Let's go! Gentlewoman is a famous brand here in Bangkok, Thailand. So let me just call my friends kung anong papabili nila. Sawadee krap! O nang pasali mo! Ay din na. O na ano bag? Ita bang malating sinen mo? Dini mo din nga kakipugin, wait muna. Nang kasakin mag-video call na mag-vlog. Ulit siya naman yung OOTD ko. Bet. All brown, oh. With black onyx. Gusto mo yarn? Woo! Kaya ka pa maniwala? Gentlewoman task failed. Out of stock na daw sila in the whole Bangkok. So mga CZ, order na lang kayo online. So that's my episode for today. I hope you enjoy guys, and I'm here at the center of Siam Square. So you can see ang daming tao guys. May nagpe-perform pa dun sa likuran ko. Maraming mga stores sa side. Sawadee krap! How much is the bucket hat? 200. And this? 150. Wait, this one? For 11. iPhone 11. Ayun na nga guys, bumagsak na siya, hindi niya na kinaya. Buti na lang nakapag-video na ako guys. At mukhang uulan na guys. I think I'm gonna book my motorbike or taxi. As you can see, there are many people. At ayun, naibalik na nila. Baka kulang sa tape. Dagdagan nyo ng tape or tali. Kaya naman pala, masyadong mahina ang support. Maglagay kayo ng hollow blocks, mga kuya. Or tali nyo na sa bakal. Para kasing nakalagay lang doon sa may monoblock sa baba. Or parang box lang siya na may lubid.